Founded in Shenzhen, China, WayKen is a rapid manufacturer specialized in rapid prototyping and low-volume manufacturing for plastic and metal parts. We offer outstanding global services, covering from independent inventors or designers to large-scale industrial, commercial, medical, automotive, and even aerospace companies. With a team of experienced engineers and machinists, we custom our manufacturing services to suit your specific product design needs, part quantity from 1 to 100,000. We use advanced equipment to offer you a variety of services, including CNC machining, rapid tooling, vacuum casting, and 3D printing. We offer interactive support one-to-one and perform your design for manufacturing review within hours. Once the order is confirmed, we will qualify every aspect of your project in advance to enable shortest lead time and highest quality. At WayKen, CNC machining is usually widely used for design verification and short-run production of plastic and metal parts. Flexible, equipped and advanced high-speed CNC machines, and the optimized machining processes. We are good at rapid machining of simple parts and precision machining of complex design parts. At WayKen, we have experience in creating rapid bridge tooling from prototype to production. Typically, we will simplify the mold design to use more hand load inserts. Using aluminum molds to reduce manufacturing time and cost depends on the part's geometry, material, or quantity. From mold design start to plastic injection molding parts, this entire process can happen within 2 to 5 weeks. WayKen can provide one-stop post-finishing solutions with the top-grade handicraft skills make product perfect assembled. Get a feel for how design's coming together. Our technicians can create super clear surface with optical quality without any sanding marks and scratches, and offer a wide range of high-grade surface finishing services to enable your product stand out. We operate a system of quality management which is approved and certified to ISO 9001 standards. This reflects our commitment to continuous quality improvement and customer satisfaction. Our quality engineer team owns professional technology to inspect and ensure your projects meet stringent quality specification. We ship more than 20,000 metal and plastic parts each month, with DHL, UPS, FedEx Air Freight Services, global delivery within a few days. As always, we provide dedicated engineering support to really help that development process before production takes place. Want quality parts in your hands within days? Upload the CAD model right now at waykenrm.com. Make the design idea reality. Make it with us. WayKen Rapid Manufacturing, the custom solution company.